So I'm Billy and I'm studying foundation, and it's been an amazing experience and kind of really driving and super helpful in like progressing in my craft, so to say. It's been a really brilliant thing to do, and I encourage anyone else to do it. Anyone else who's doing something creative should definitely do foundation.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm doing the Art Foundation course at the moment. I think it's helped me in so many different ways, especially my life drawing skills, and it has definitely showed me a lot of things I haven't been able to do beforehand, especially in like comp and things like that. You don't have the opportunities that you do here.
Okay. Hi, my name's Chan. I'm currently studying Art and Design Foundation, and next year I will be going into environmental conservation. That will be inspired by the projects that I've been doing here.
When I first came here, I literally didn't have a clue where I wanted to go or what I was doing, but I feel like it's really opened up my mind to different possibilities. I thought I wanted to be in theatre and stuff, but I've completely changed my mind and direction, and I'm actually thinking of staying on another year to do the artist in residence to try and expand my work further.
I really enjoyed foundation because it's time to like be completely self-indulgent and just throw yourself into your work and just try everything, which is really nice, really helpful for development, and yeah.
Okay, so my time at foundation has made me realise what I actually want to do, because I came here, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was like, what am I actually going to do with my life? Foundation is like an experience, you get to know other people and you get to see much more artwork as well, because like before I came here, I was like, right, I only know portraiture, what else is there? And you came here and you're just exposed to so much art and so much passion and everything. It's just really inspiring. It's a lovely time.
I feel like I've learned so much more technical skills, but also it's opened my mind. I feel like I have a broader perspective on the art and design industry and the creative industry. I think to enjoy foundation, you just have to throw yourself into it and you will love it.